In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect YouTube TV from your phone to manage your account or free up space. If you've signed into the YouTube TV app on your phone and want to disconnect it, start by opening the YouTube TV app or website. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, go to the Account section and look for the Device Management option. Here, you'll see a list of devices currently signed into your account. Find your phone on the list, tap the three-dot menu next to it, and select Sign Out or Remove Device. If you're using the main YouTube app instead of the YouTube TV app, remember that YouTube TV doesn't stay connected through the regular YouTube app. It's managed separately. Additionally, uninstalling the YouTube TV app from your phone won't automatically disconnect it from your account, so always sign out manually. This ensures your account remains secure, especially if you're sharing your phone or switching devices. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to disconnect YouTube TV from your phone, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.